Welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to talk about a new product that I recently bought. This is a Xiaomi Mars scale, specifically the Xiaomi body composition scale S400. This model came out not too long ago, around a few months back, and yes, this is the original version. I bought it directly from an official Xiaomi store. According to the seller, this scale is not just for weight, it can also measure body fat, muscle mass, and many other health metrics. So we are going to do the unboxing. Now let's also start with the box. Honestly, Xiaomi always does a great job with presentation. The packaging looks clean and very well designed. Now let us open this. We remove the seals, open the box, and here it is. The presentation is simple but clean and organized. Inside the box we have the manual and the guarantee information, something super important by the way. Since this is from an official store, I was told it includes a 1-month guarantee. Pretty standard, but something super helpful by the way. Let's set that aside and take out the scale. And here it is. Look at this. It is a very clean and elegant design. Now, something very important, this scale does not use a reachable battery. So instead it uses AAA batteries. So you will need 3 small batteries like this one and install the batteries. I already have them here. Let us flip the scale, insert the batteries, and that it is going to be all. Now we turn it back and it turns on immediately. Let's go to the first test. As you can see, the display is digital and very responsive. Even with small movements, it reacts quickly. That it is very good sign. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Here it is something important. This scale includes Bluetooth, which means you can connect it to your phone. According to the seller, you do not get the full experience if you use without the app, so it is highly recommended to use it with the mobile application. Other way, you are not going to take advantages of all the features. The good thing is it works with Android and iPhone, so compatibility, it is not going to be an issue. Now let's talk about how this is going to work. The sensors are located in specific areas of the scale. This is how it measures different body metrics. To use it properly, you need to stand on it correctly and it will automatically show your weight. Right now, this is just a basic test, but the real value comes when you connect it to the app. Now let's connect it. You need to scan the QR code that comes in the box. I'm not showing it on camera for privacy reasons, but you simply scan it, download the app, and follow the steps, and that's it. This was the unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Smart Scale S400. Now the real question is it actually accurate? Is it worth buying it? That is something we can test in a field review. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment, and if this video helps you, please leave us a like, leave a comment, and share this video. Without anything else to say, we are WEBA and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.